In this video, I'll show you how to make an announcement channel on Discord Mobile. So the first thing you need to do is enable the community for your Discord server. To do that, press on your server name at the top and then come over and open up the settings and then scroll down to community and press on enable community. Tap on get started and then Discord will tell you that in order to ensure user safety you need to have a verified email, and scam messages sent by all members needs to be ticked, so press next after you've done that and then set up the basics. Let Discord create a rules or guidelines channel and also a community updates channel, so just press next. After that, come down and agree to the rules and then press finish setup. So now that you've got community enabled, come to your main server menu, press on your server name at the top, come down and press create channel, and now you see that you have the option to create an announcement channel. So give it a name, and then press create in the top right, and you can see that your announcement channel has been created. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.